Hi guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notification. I absolutely love it. Vuyo Dabula has been with Generations The Legacy since its inception years ago. And he has not been seen in the tabloids because he's a reserved guy. Well, that is until recently when we saw an Instagram user who goes by the name Demi, who went on to give details that Vuyo Dabula, aka Kumkani, has a fetish for transgender women. She alleges that Dabula is into trans women. The public figure explained that she screenshot a picture of him under her views, and a friend responded that he's into trans women. She also alleges that Vuyo even sent her a DM on Instagram. Demi implied that they met after 3 days and even had an affair. Okay, let us take a look at what exactly is transgender. Transgender people have a gender identity or gender expression that differs from the sex that they were assigned at birth. A transgender person feels like they were trapped in the wrong body or sex and feel the need to correct it through medication or even surgery. Now, you guys, there's absolutely nothing wrong with being involved romantically with someone who's trans. What's trashy with the whole situation is the fact that Demi saw it as an opportunity to use someone who's a public figure to trend and grow her Instagram page. That is so low of her, and Vuyo probably didn't know that she's trans. She stooped so low for her 2 minutes of fame. Now, you guys, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.